veggie bacon tacos with cheese, onions, and jalapenos. And we're gonna have that with a side of mac and cheese. And then for dessert, chocolate mudslide. And then over here, we're cooking up some rice, I believe.
That will. Right now we're just cooking water.
You had a camp shower, right?
Yes.
How did it feel?
So refreshing. Makes the trip a lot more bearable. Wash your hair, rinse it out, just wash the trail dust off you, and makes a world of difference, Phil.
He heated up water, put it in the pump sprayer, and with a little simple, basic kitchen thing, you got a hot shower.
All right. Oh, come on, baby. Shit myself. All right. Here we go.
It's too much pressure now.
Here we go.
Well, we hope so.
Here we go.
Nice flame there.
No, I missed. Done.
Total done.
Oh, no, here we go.
Here we go. Light the flame, baby.
I did get that.
Day four,
I think.
we're gonna roll out of here and I think they have a plan, but we don't know what it is. We're just along for the ride.
Morning. How's everybody doing today?
Need a new hoodie.
All sad. VW life.
Catching on fire.
That is a true VW life right there.
That's what happens when you light your farts on fire.
Today, we are heading east. Head east, as the band would say. We are going to Upper Madera Canyon, climb the mountain there, and look down, and you know what? This might be where I meet my maker. One false step, but I'm a goner.
Yeah, we'll have to show you guys the Madera Canyon
Oh,
next.
it's beautiful. Beautiful.
It's probably the most scenic point
Yeah, I
of
would
the
say
whole
so, yeah.
road along the.
I said we go to where we're going for lunch. We'll do it there, and I'll find a nice.
Upper Madera Canyon and Big Bend Ranch State Park. About 6,000 feet straight down on the other side of these rocks. Wind's blowing, but look at this. This is Big Bend. This is Texas, folks. This is the part. There are no oil wells or cowboys over here. That's the Rio Grande. My goodness gracious, this is amazing up here. Just absolutely stunning.
I don't know if the camera shows it. Oh my gosh. Look at that bird.
I think over here.
Look at the bird. Holy shit.
What is it?
Look at that bird flying right there.
200 feet high.
Oh, I see it.
Gary is gonna go to the edge and look over. Here he goes. It's so scary.
So, Matt Jackson, I think I'm gonna go on that one right there. Skinny. You can't even. Oh, Lord have mercy. Get me out of here.
Come on, Bela.
Bela, you're gonna die.
Don't do it, Bela.
And that's where our buses are parked. We climbed all the way up there.
We gotta get down.
And getting down's harder. Okay, lunch at the park entrance. Setting the points and the timing, and it's running much better now. Adding some more oil.
I added some this morning, and this was almost empty, so I bought another one yesterday.
Right on the line. Perfect.
day 33.
We lost count after we had to eat the first human.
There's a famous song from the recently passed away Charlie Pride, one of my favorite singers, about a man sleeping at a roadside park. He could wake up dead. So we're drawing straws to see who wakes up dead.
Yeah, there's the road over there.
Yeah. In the grand scheme of things, we've got the wagon circled. Everybody's made a nice supper, and we're gonna see what happens next.
Yeah, we had fun today.
Oh man, did we?
Adventures galore, and end of day whatever this is, and
Yeah, day 33. I
Yeah.
think that's where we're at, and we're kind of we're getting some weather reports that something's moving in.
yeah. So
That could be very that could be very challenging coming up.
yes.
You gotta come around this table.
When I was a kid, the old man was really annoyed with me, and he said, "Go pick up some trash, but you don't use your hands." So I started picking up pop tabs with a coat hanger looking thing.
And that was like last week. No, that was a long time.
Well, it's morning. We made it through the night, but the winds picked up. We didn't die on the roadside.
No. Sleeping at a roadside park, a man could wake up not dead. A little bit of the change in the weather there, Matt Jackson.
Yeah, we got a little change in the weather, and
Now it's feeling a little bit more like the Big Bend Bus Bash.
we're gonna see how that pans out for us.
Yeah. The wind is really coming out of the north, and rumor has it there's a blizzard on the way.
Yes, and you know how buses deal with headwinds.
Yeah.
It's totally awesome.
We're gonna make great time.
Looks like Gary's setting his points.
Yeah, I can tell they're off a little bit yesterday on that climb.
Yeah, they're a little closed or open.
They're closed up.
And Jason's over here adjusting his heater pipe. I think one of them came off, and we're gonna need full heat and defrost today. It's like a windstorm out here.
Big Bend Bus Bash!
We are seeing little snow flurries, and for us Texas boys, that's kind of a big deal. We're pulling into Alpine now. It looks like we're going to be a little ahead of the storm, but they're saying up to 12 inches of snow in Big Bend today and tomorrow. So we're about a mile up in elevation, and we're climbing, and we've got a 25-mile-an-hour headwind, and we've got it pretty much floored in third gear, doing about 35 on the highway. We're trying to stay in a close formation. That helps with the drafting. We got gas and Alpine, got blue tape on the Safaris and Rain-X. Let's see what happens. Made it to Fort Stockton. Now we're gonna get some gas. Good thing we Rain-X'd. The temps dropped down to 39. Looks like we might beat the snow, but we're gonna go ahead and just keep pushing east. All right, we are in Fort Stockton. I got the safety light on. I'll be running rear. Apparently this place is going to be covered in 6 to 12 inches of snow in about 8 to 10 hours. So we're just trying to get as far east as we can. But
Overcoming the elements, baby.
Overcoming
the obstacles. We head straight to where that turnoff of the park is, and we can get it. That's the direction we're headed home anyhow.
Mason's the town where y'all would turn. We'd go straight.
Yeah.
Icy on the roads in the morning.
He was thinking. And then
so we're trying to avoid the ice, and we might just head back home tonight.
Yeah. Or
we go back to Big Bend.
go back to Big Bend. number 6, Roman numeral 6. This is our final gas stop, boys.
Yeah, it's been a cold, rainy day. What, 300 or 400 miles of driving. We're just trying to make it home at this point.
Yeah, with supposedly a big ice storm on the way. We're just going to push forward. It's been an epic journey. We've just all over the place. What fun we've had with everybody. Again, as always, and thank you guys for joining us.
Yeah, we hope you've enjoyed watching our adventure and we've inspired you to do one of your own. You know, it's we can't capture on video what really happened. We can only give you a little piece, and we hope we can.
No, we can't really show you what really happened. The way we see it is, go out and do something. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. We do this for you guys, the VW community. Let's go out and go have Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year.
Thanks for watching.